We shall talk about migraine and its homeopathic treatment. Well, migraine is a common disease affecting males and females in any age group. In fact, children also come with migraine, adults also come with migraine. And this is a disease in which one gets periodic headaches, usually on one side of the head, and that may be around the eyes and the entire head. And this pain may be triggered by several factors such as lack of sleep, exposure to sun, stress, certain changes in the food, etc. And this pain may remain for few hours, for a couple of hours to maybe 2 to 3 days at times in many patients. And migraine could be really annoying because the pain is often very severe and one may not be able to do day-to-day activities once one has migraine headache. So migraine is known to be kind of a vascular headache, and there are certain blood vessels which are getting affected, and that leads to these migraine headaches, which are triggered by hormonal factors, stress factors, and other chemical factors as well. So conventionally, there are some medicines which alleviate migraine, but many times we find that many patients of migraine are resistant to the regular treatment and they still keep suffering for months and years together. So let us talk about homeopathy and its migraine treatment. In our experience, homeopathy is a good option to treat migraine headaches. Homeopathy may not cure each and every case of migraine headache. However, we have seen with time that homeopathy has a great treatment to offer for most of the cases of migraine headaches. What can homeopathy do? Homeopathy basically tries to understand you as a patient in totality, will try to understand all the possible triggers and factors affecting your migraine, and will also help you remove some of the factors whenever possible, and will treat based on the trigger factors that you have, the modalities that you have, the factors which are influencing migraine, including the genetic tendencies and other psychosomatic factors. What will happen after taking homeopathic medicines? Well, I would say after using homeopathic medicines, you should expect that 3 things will happen. 3 to 4 things will happen. 1, the frequency of episodes of your migraine should become less. 2, the duration of each episode of migraine should become less. 3, the severity of every migraine episode should become less. And 4th, you should expect that your drug dependency on painkillers and other conventional medicines should become much less after using homeopathic medicine. And it is also possible number of times that after using the right kind of homeopathic treatment, one may get rid of migraine headaches for months and years together. Somebody we might be suffering with migraine say 10 times in a month, and it may reduce to maybe once in a year, that kind of a situation. So homeopathy is strongly suggested for every case of migraine headache. Some cases which may not respond may require some other therapy or other treatment, I would say. So all in all, one has to also bring about lifestyle changes, as I mentioned, about dietary changes, stress and adequate sleep. One should also add the therapies like meditation, etc., to alleviate the mental stress and anxiety, which also could help in general to get relief from migraine headache. So I believe all in all, homeopathy is a good option. It must be explored fully. I hope this video will help patients suffering with migraine headaches. Thank you.